It takes both skill and intelligence to perfect the technique. But the rewards are great, even if a little bitter. Rolling the nut removes the unpleasant pith. These techniques can take 3 years or more to truly master. And a branch isn't a good choice. He's learning the hard way that wood is far too bouncy to work as an anvil. There is only so much frustration any monkey can take. Time to think this through.
Garter snakes usually hunt on land. But so many tadpoles crammed into such shallow water is inviting trouble. But they will take to the water to prey on such easy targets. A single tadpole has little chance against an agile snake. But with safety in numbers, the vast majority survive unscathed. Thousands of little lives on one incredible journey. A whopping 60 meters, there and back.
This barrier isn't going to hold the fox for long. Pausing to catch his breath, it's clear the owl isn't safe above ground. Too big to fit down the owl's burrow, the fox tracks him from above. With extremely keen hearing, the fox can pick up low-frequency sounds from below the surface. Detecting the quietest movement, it pauses to listen. And here's an opportunity. As he arrives at the burrow exit, all sounds from below ground cease. But the fox is an expert in cunning and stealth. He hides from view and patiently waits for the owl to emerge. Uncertain of where the fox may be, the owl keeps quiet. It's become an ultimate test of patience between predator and prey. It's essential the owl times his move perfectly. If he puts a foot wrong, he'll be fox food. In the chaos of an unprovoked attack, the fox has taken its eye off the ball, and the owl seizes its opportunity. He needs to make sure this predator will never return. But the fox is confused. Its prey never stands its ground.